How to add fonts to CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to this one website, thefont.com. Once you're over here, you're gonna find list of fonts that you can download for free. From this list, select any of the font that you wanna download, then click on download option. Click on download again. Once it has been downloaded, you can click on this arrow option, head over to the option downloads. Now you will need to open this zip file. Click on it. Click on the zip file again. Once you have extracted it, now you can close this. Now launch your CapCut. Launch any of the project. Now click on the option text. Click on the option add text. Here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option fonts. Then click on the option my font. Click on the option add. Click on My Fonts. With that, your Files app will open up. Now navigate to the folder where you have saved the zip file. Select the file, select the font, click on Open. Now the font has been added. Now you can type in whatever you like, set it in your video or the picture, and export it. So this way you can easily add fonts to CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.